Hi YouTube family and friends, this is Arlene coming to you with another DIY. I think y'all remember me, look over, that's my granddaughter and her dad playing in the background, but this is a jar that I hauled at the Goodwill. And what I did to it, it didn't have a top on it, so what I did, I went to Dollar Tree and I got one of these little vases right here. And I just sit it down on there and took one of my glass knobs that I had got from Amazon and E6000 it on there. So that's what I came up with. And this over here, it was a top on it, so I just took and put some E6000, some rhinestones down on the glass right there. And I'm waiting on all this to dry. Then, I don't know if y'all remember this, I hauled in that Dollar Castle. But yeah, I took and cut the top part off of it. Got me a diamond. E6000 it down on there. So yeah, today I'm doing a few DIYs. Hopefully I can do them, as y'all can hear the noise in the background. Look over my desk because this is the desk I do all my work on. Oh, and then down here I just took in E6000 some diamonds all the way around it. So yes, I'm loving it. Okay, you guys take care, stay blessed, stay prayed up, because trust and believe Satan is out there lurking. Love each and every last one of you guys, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like. Take care.